Hi everyone, so here is the update about the growth of the Autoflower plants which I'm growing right now. What's interesting about these plants, that's how I see it, is that how they are structurally forming themselves after the topping. And here is Gorilla Strawberry, and she's topped for 6 main colas, and how those colas are structurally going to be developed. And right now the plant is the stages of the growth when this growth is not finished yet, so I will see it in few days. The buckets are together around 40 centimeters and plant 15. Plant has enough soil and also plenty of light for the structural development of the multiplying of itself 6 times, because the plant is stopped, she will consume much more nutrients than normally she would, right? She would normally be one discola in the middle and few side branches, that's it. And here we can see very nice development of 6 main colas, and side branches are in the middle. This very beautiful setup. And right now I am giving plant around 1.5 liter of water with NPK and Calmag. Calmag around 2 milliliters per 1 liter, fully bio, and also NPK, also 2 milliliters. I started with NPK much more for the reason of the phosphorus to stimulate the growth of the roots in pre-flower stage, and the development of the roots is very nicely visible. There are 2 types of roots, one which looks like more like the tree branch, this green roots thick, and then the white fuzzy. So there are structural 2 types of roots, and especially this branch like are only in the top bucket, and in the bottom bucket are only the white and fuzzy. Mostly in this type of buckets I also have the algae with the plants, but that's completely okay, as that's the reservoir for the nitro for the plant if she would need. She have right now around, for next 3 days she would be completely fine with the water and nutrients, more with nutrients, with water 3 days. So this is the strawberry gorilla, and how she looks after the topping. I like how she is growing right now. It's very nice development. And here it is. Here is Gorilla Cookies, the same double bucket system. This one is a little bit elevated on that bucket because she had little bit slower grow at the beginning, so I put her in the lesser distance. It is 50 centimeters from the light, that she would have enough light for development, because I planned to top her exactly like this for 6 main colas, and those wires are showing where are stretched into which direction those colas, right? 6 of them, and the direction in which they are pulled, and also the side branches are going to be are going to be developed in the middle and on the sides. But this plant, Gorilla, she is planted 10 days later than Gorilla Strawberry. So it will be very interesting to see how she will develop in next 10 days. Right now, here is the structure of her from the side, how she look, right? Very, very nice and compact structural view. If you look on that from this point of view, this is exactly from the side, right? How she looks. She's also topped after second note, and she is starting to making the main stems much more thicker because of the expected growth which she will perform in next 2 weeks. I'm always curious that how the plant will develop herself after the topping, because it's the structural change of the plant, how she will grow, right? From the main stem, which would be in the middle, plant split to 6 equal collas basically, and each one starts to have side branches, right? Side branches. It depends that how structurally she grow, that which side branches will catch light. Those will develop more rapidly than others. That's also interesting to see that how long she will be in that phase of growing. But right now the look from top view also, so she is in peak grow right now as she can be. It's a very nice view. This is the part of the grow which I really like, to see each day the change of the plant, that how she is growing, because it's really visible and possible to see on the daily basis. It's really interesting. So this is the Gorilla cookies, topped for 6 main collas. Right now she is 50 centimeters away from 150 light, which is full spectrum on the 100 intensity. She is receiving also 1.5 liter of water, NPK, Calmag, all bio, and 2 milliliters per 1 liter. She is in perfect health condition, 0 issue, 1 plant, and 0 issue, 2nd plant. So both plants are in the best condition. Okay, so that's it. That's my update as how I see growing and development these 2 plants. Very nice right now actually. Looking forward that how the entire structure will be completely locked, and then for the development of the flowers. So thank you everyone for the watching, and have a nice time. Bye.